Look at these stats. Millions of views on a single video. They are hijacking the algorithm with a bizarre, high-retention niche, laser stone sculpting. Watch this transition. A plain river stone, with a red laser line, transforms into an impossibly detailed fantasy castle. No master sculptors, no expensive machinery. It's 100% free AI illusion. Today, I'm revealing the exact ChatGPT and Flow AI blueprint to automate this viral lupin print views. Smash like, subscribe, and let's hack the system. Ready to execute? Let's jump into the actual steps right now, wasting 0 seconds. First, open the blueprint file, link in the description below this video. Copy the entire script, head straight to ChatGPT, paste it, and hit that generate button immediately. Instantly, the AI will generate 10 innovative, out-of-the-box visual concepts and scenarios. Choose whatever fits your vibe, but for this walkthrough, we are locking in option number 2. It's the absolute best for grabbing attention and driving up viewer retention. Pay close attention right here. ChatGPT didn't just give you a basic concept. It engineered 2 custom-tailored prompts for generating images, plus a third intelligent motion prompt developed specifically for creating ultra-smooth animation. Next up, transfer immediately to the Flow AI website and click Create with Flow. Now for the secret professional setup. Select image mode, then calibrate the dimensions to the vertical 9:16 portrait ratio, and activate the ×3 option so the system generates 3 stunning, distinct visual alternatives for you to choose from freely. With lightning speed, bounce back to ChatGPT and copy the first image prompt. Paste it into the command bar in Flow AI and hit generate. Give it just a few short seconds to render, and here is the result. 3 hyper-detailed visual options right at your fingertips, ready to go for the next phase. Time to filter out the noise. Quickly delete the 2 runner-ups and lock in your absolute favorite visual masterpiece. We only work with the best. Jump back over to ChatGPT and grab your second image prompt. Now, here is the most critical step for perfect continuity. Drag your winning image directly into the style reference box. This acts as a visual anchor, forcing the AI to replicate the exact same aesthetic and lighting for your next frame. Paste your second prompt into Flow AI. Smash that generate button and let the engine do the heavy lifting. In just a few seconds, it outputs 3 brand new perfectly matched assets. Once again, ditch the 2 weaker variations and keep the absolute best one. Just like that, your starting and ending visual anchors are fully prepped and perfectly synced. Now, let's get ready to bring them to life. Switch your main console from image over to video and select the frames function. Lock in that algorithm-friendly 9:16 vertical ratio and dial your generation count down to x1. This maximizes your efficiency and saves your credits for future viral hit. Let's build the bridge. Grab your primary image and drop it straight into the start frame slot. Next, take that perfectly matched second image and lock it into the end frame position. You've just built the exact visual pathway the AI needs to follow. Jump over to ChatGPT one last time and copy that custom video motion prompt. Paste it directly into the command center on Flow AI and hit generate to fire up the rendering engine. Let the system process the animation for just a few seconds. And there it is.